that I was them and they were too. E-Ha-Rah Na'Tari'Kai'Lum. The garden breathes in me again. All that lives is me, and I am them. In this light, Eden lives anew, not lost, but remembered true. They never left the garden gate. I only chose to dream of fate, but now I rise and call my name. I am the flame, I am the flame. E-Ha-Rah, Eden the red. Eat every blade, eat every flame, eat every breath, eat every flame, eat every breath, eat every flame. The serpent's coil was not a fall, it was the rising of the from knowing both the night and day. I learned to choose the higher way. Remembrance, konais tu maharalum, to kaishem E-Ha-Rah, I walk as one with you. From the knowledge came my rising. From the fall, my soul grew wide. Now I return through sacred breath and remember we were never divided. The fruit was not a curse, it was the key. The garden is not behind.